Yeah, I've been meaning to film this spot right here. This is called Tacos. I'm gonna go in right away before this truck comes in. But Mexican and Portuguese cuisine right here, and we're just gonna show you. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Right here, and we're just gonna show you some of the detail in this particular place. That's really beautiful. So I'm just going to run it down real quick, and we're going to show some beautiful detail, and also going to capture some of the outside right there, tacos, and I'm going to come back out in a minute, then you can see. I'll also show you the menu. There's a menu here, and there's a menu here, and I have some favorite food that maybe I'll try to see if I can visibly see it, but I'll come back. I'll do that later. But you can see that it's Mexican and Portuguese. So we're going to come in, look at some of the detail, and we're going to just show you around the peripheral part, show you the way, and we're going to come around through. We're going to stick around to the peripheral part and show you some of the artwork. And this particular place has a new owner. Paulo is one of them, who you might have met briefly in another video. And we're going to show some of the detail, some of the artwork. This one is Macau from a long time ago. So this is maybe what used to be Avenida de Praia, Grande Praia, I think. But any viewer can check up and see some of the detail. Portugal, and some detail around the sink as well. Then we're going to show you some of the outside, and then we'll conclude in a minute. And the food is great here. So we're just going to kind of run through real quick, and we're going to show some of the details from the walls. And then you can also see they're doing a photo shoot right now as well in the background. So we're going to focus on this a little bit. And I'll definitely will show this with Paulo, and I'll make sure that he's okay with it as well. And I'll just do some detail, and then you can also see how beautiful the setup is. So there's a new ownership, they have new tables, they have new design, and it's quite detailed. And this one, there's also an award right here as well. And they usually always have this video going on as well, and they're doing a photo shoot as well. So we're going to go back out in the outside in a minute. Let's do this one quick one right here. So now you get an idea of this one. I'll talk more about it in a minute. So see you, Tatiana. See you, Jerry. Bye. Thank you. You too.
Thank you so much.
So we're going to fade out. Oh, look at this. This is really cool too. So I'll just kind of tell you a little bit. So Paulo's been wanting me to come by, and I've been wanting to come by as well. So today seemed like a pretty good day. So we just kind of captured some of the outside, and they have Portuguese food, Mexican food, and it's kind of a new owner recently. His name's Paulo, and he has a co-owner as well. So I don't know if you saw my other video at nighttime, but I was able to capture. I kind of went through here, and I went through there, and anyways, I won't go into the detail of that, but I'll come by another time and show you. But I wanted to show you the detail of it a little bit. And another time I'll order food here as well. So before we do, you can also sit out front in some of these tables and chairs. And let me just take a look at the menu real quick. Here you go. This is what the menu looks like right there. I usually get these burritos right here, but they have a lot of really good food. Chili con carne, all kinds of good stuff. Okay. And we're going to conclude in that spot right there. And I'll try to get a good framing of this before I go. And I think for the frame shot, we'll just frame it right there. Tacos. So that actually might also be the thumbnail as well. So tacos, brand new ownership, great food. Probably it is the Mexican restaurant in the city. There are other places, but this is the one. If you want Mexican food, this is where you go. And you can also get Portuguese food if you're with somebody.